trade with you. Do anything you want me to. Money talks, money talks. Dirty cash, I want you, and dirty cash, I need you. Oh, money talks, money talks. Dirty cash, I want you, dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
I don't know if you guys watched the video yesterday of me and Rom going over his results and living unchanged so far, but since that video we have not slept once again. Still, I think we're around like averaging 1 hour, 2 hours a night this last week. So to combat that, we bought some new snus, which I unfortunately kind of got scammed. Was supposed to buy a full portion of this, but they just gave me the testing pack instead, so I only got like 1/4 of what I paid for. We're gonna pop one of these bad boys in and enjoy the rest of the drive there. Once we get there, I think we'll have like an hour or less to sort everything out to get on the plane. So hopefully we can get that done. I'm smuggling in a few things in my big suitcase, so hopefully I don't go to jail or face the death penalty. So see you guys at the airport. Alright guys, boarding is in 2 minutes and we're pretty far away, so we're gonna have to speed run this entire journey of being at the airport. So we're waiting on Rom and then we're just gonna sprint, so I'll just see you guys on the plane if we're able to make it. If we don't make it, we're just gonna have to swim. But look at Rom over there. We're still on the plane now, still 0 hours of sleep, but we're down 2 coffees. We're gonna dial back in because there's still 30 minutes left. So we're cruising, high altitude, but now we're gonna take our frequency to the next level as well.
You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell.
You know what time it is?
Nah.
It's Daffy time. So let's go ingest our breakfast. Guys, look at this. This is not the best place to work. This is like where the desks are, the outlets, and then look at the view. It just kind of speaks for itself. This is where the abundance mindset comes from. You're just sitting there on your laptop, not coming up with any ideas, but then you just glance out to the ocean, to the sun, to the greenery here, and the ideas just come from the ether of the universe to your laptop and into your pockets with the cash that you're able to make. It's a lot better than just working like a corporate job in a cubicle, typing away all the day, slouched, and then you're drinking your McDonald's, and then you're just eating, sitting there all day, going home to a wife that is cheating on you. And that's just not the life you want. Just come out here, a lot better. Yeah, enough chit chat. Let's go pop them the Daffies. We're heading to the pool just to take a quick dip to wake up a little bit. Pop them the Daffies, but the pool is going to be technically a cold shower, and then we're getting the vitamin D from the sun, maximizing the test for success for locking in these next few hours. And apparently check-in is at 12, so we have like 4 hours of dialing in time, so that's not bad at all. Whew. It's the most cardio I've done all year. Where we literally, at the airport, we sprinted for like 10 minutes straight.
The lady tricked us too.
Yeah. We weren't even late, we still had to wait. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this view. Absolutely incredible. Got the tanning in. We're just gonna go ahead and get a 30-minute massage. You know, no happy beginning or anything. Just, you know, head, shoulders, neck, head, but not that type of head. This type of head. So I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Alright guys, we have a call. Right now we're just waiting for him to join. The massage was absolutely excellent. But before this call, we're going to get into a heightened frequency state. And to do that, I'll show you guys a quick tip or quick trick. I'm going to get down on the floor and just do 10 clap push-ups. Alright, still hasn't joined yet. So we're gonna let the heart rate settle, chill back in, and then while we wait for him to join, we're gonna get the upper decker pouchy ready on the side for right when he joins. And apparently it's 5 a.m. his time, so I don't know what the facts are, but I've heard that when people wake up, they're more subjective to agreeing to things. So hopefully this will be a lot easier of a close and make around, I think I'm gonna aim for like 3K for this guy, maybe 4K. We'll see how things go. But yeah, let's do it, man. Cool. So, I mean, are you based in the UK right now, or where are you at?
It's just a matter of getting there.
Yeah, 100%. So I mean, if like price is the only thing, we don't usually do this, but if you did get started today, we could do just 2 payments of 3K, so that way it's still 6K, but that way you can join, get your foot in the door, immediate access to everything for 3K, actually see some results, and then just pay like 1K a month until the full 6K is paid off.
Yeah. Look, I mean, whatever you guys are comfortable doing, I mean, you're the ones that say, okay, well, this is if you want me to join, are you willing to do this? And now,
Yeah, well, I mean, it sounds like you're kind of ready to do this. It was just mainly like the 6K or the 2 payments of 4K that was kind of holding you back. So if we could do like 3K today and then just 1K a month, would that be more feasible for you?
That would be great.
Cool. Yes. Cool. So I mean, yeah, in terms of getting started, Philip, I already have what I need on my end. The email that you signed up to the call with, is that the best one for you?
Yeah.
Okay, will do. Thanks, Ryan.
Yes, sir. See you soon,
Okay,
Philip.
thanks. Have a good day. Ciao.
Just a quick update. We're on the way to the villa right now. We got a 3K close. $300 commission, but technically it was 3.3K, so we made around like $336 in the span of, what was it, like 20 minutes?
Yeah, maybe 30 at most.
30 minutes? Cool. So yeah, we made some cash. We got a few more calls lined up in the next few hours, but now I don't know why the modafinil's not hitting that good. The energy is going down for some reason, so what we're gonna do to combat that, we're gonna play Kickstart My Heart by Motley Crue and then pop a fat uppy decky. So let's do it. We're gonna do it like in sync, so we're gonna do one on the left and then blast some Motley Crue.
Ready for a getaway? Plan your trip effortlessly with the Trip.com app. Book flights, hotels, and attraction tickets all in one place.
Another ad. Double ad. Oh my goodness, biggest Matrix attack.
You need premium.
2025. Yeah. Ah. Thank you, Captain.
Yes.
We're going back up. The energy levels are rising. I can feel the energy from within. Getting back in the game, back in business. And jump in the pool and get there. Smash 2 more coffees. Maybe get into some sparring. And then do the other calls. So that way we're showing up, peak performance, dialed in, closing every deal that shows up on the calendar. Let's go. This is the Koh Samui sunshine magic that you guys are experiencing firsthand right now on, what is it, Thursday? Wednesday?
So who cares, bro? We're in Koh Samui.
Every day is Friday. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. But yeah, I think we're like 10 minutes away now. I think all the boys are there. Alex, I don't even know if food's even coming, so we'll see. You guys will see as well. So I'll see you guys there. Bam. Welcome to the High Table Mastermind 2.0. Last time it was an L, to be absolutely honest, but guess what? It takes 2 L's to make a W, so we're gonna maximize this experience. Come on in. We have a few improvements since the last time we've been here. We have a flamingo upstairs, upgraded game room. The music system is top notch now. Last time the speakers weren't even working. So already, it's already better than the last Mastermind, just within the first few hours. Can you come meet everyone?
That's a best. It's the best walk ever. The cameraman is filming everything.
He won't break his hip this time.
Yeah, let's hope this time.
Protect the cameraman at all costs.
Bikes for you, bro, are not allowed. You can only hope on somebody's back.
He's gonna be riding me into homo.
Yeah, we just arrived, boys, so that's it. He's doing fitness coaching. Most of the guys are doing fitness coaching.
I mean, can't you tell?
No, fitness. I mean, just coaching overall, business coaching, fitness coaching. But obviously, it all around just building personal branding and just filming content, obviously. You know?
Yen. Ooh, my tie is top notch. But yeah, let me give you guys a tour real quick. It's over here. Oh, we have 2 flamingos now. The last time we had 0. We have one right there. We have the game room to your right. And of course, this is the pool. Downstairs, we have another one. The view just kind of speaks for itself. It's absolutely stunning. And first off, we'll go upstairs. Maybe give you guys, there's a gym upstairs. There's 2 rooms. There's one there, 2 balconies, and then 2 bedrooms right there. And we'll go downstairs and show you guys the room. Alright guys, we have a iced coffee and quick Thai lesson for you guys. Cold means yen. So whenever you want an iced coffee in Thailand, just say yen latte. Gotcha. Come downstairs real quick. Alright guys, so real quick, I'll come give you guys a tour of what's downstairs. We have a cinema room in here. We have a whole bunch of new figurines that are on the left here that weren't here last time, which are pretty cool. If you want to come look in the cinema room, look at the ceiling. There's like Rolls Royce ceiling lights, which are pretty fire, to be honest. If you're gonna smash a girl, this is the place to do it. And then right here, we have the, looks like Captain America gorilla. Pretty sick. It's like that one meme going around, like 100 men versus 1 gorilla. I have all my money on the gorilla. Unless I'm fighting. Yeah. And then, you know, just the basic stuff. 8-ball table, 2 stormtroopers, this Chinese gambling thing, foosball, arcade, darts, and just music. And then, other than that, I think that's pretty much it for downstairs. Let's go ahead and throw a dart for you guys. Bullseye for the content. I think that hit bullseye. I don't know.
I think it did.
Alright guys, and right here we have the second swimming pool. This is actually where Ron behind the camera and Alex filmed their outreach with the drone, which was pretty sick, definitely the best outreach in the game. And then we have 3 more bedrooms that way. It's pretty boring, all the rooms are pretty much the same. And then 2 more right here. So 9 bedrooms total. Absolute crazy villa. I think it was only like 3K for like 4 nights or 3 nights. So insane deal. Splitting that between all of us makes it a steal. It is where I'm staying, guys. I'll just give you a tour of my room because all the rooms are the same anyway. Pretty nice. Got super high ceilings. Buddha is turned away from us so he doesn't have to watch us do cardio at night. And then in here we have the bathrooms. We have the shower. Shower over there. What's this? Oh, we have 2 showers. Interesting. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's it for the tour. Nothing too crazy, you know, just a villa in Koh Samui. But yeah, we have a call in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go upstairs, see if he joins. If not, no worries, we already got some cash for the day. So we're chilling out here in Samui. Alright guys, we haven't done any cardio today. So right now we're gonna go get some shisha, strengthen the lungs a little bit.
Yo, YouTube, what's up, bro? Yeah!
Yeah, those are some of our fans.
Yeah.
Alright guys, right now we're on Koh Samui walking street. No degeneracy, no Indian, so this is definitely the best walking street in all of Thailand. We're on a mission to find Alex and the boys. They're definitely over here. I don't see them.
They don't sit here. This is another restaurant.
The what?
This is another restaurant that I sent you in Google Maps. You know?
A restaurant?
Yeah.
I thought it was the beach.
Yeah, beach.
information was wrong. Wrong place.
Handbrake.
Follow his heart.
Bro, I send you the place.
Yeah, but he follow his heart.
Camera.
Follow his heart?
He say, I follow my heart.
Just get this thing here and just bring it and just sit here.
Sweaty cup.
I can be like, I don't know which one to take though.
So did you come with the bike?
Yeah.
How was it?
I professional.
She goes so slow.
Really?
There's like a big truck behind you for like 5 minutes.
And do you go also with the other bike?
Yeah, with Rom.
Ah, shit. But wasn't it too small?
Yeah. Rom, were you about to fall off the bike?
No, I was chilling.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was about to fall in the front.
Yeah, because that you should have changed the bikes. That is like go on the small one.
I cannot see the Google Map and I have to follow.
We basically just ran a 5K.
Lion sometimes he drives so fast
Sitting
and
down.
stop and then I don't want to go so close to him. Like I'm not scared to pass with another bike. I'm scared to pass with you. Because you drive so fast and you stop and it's like wait, like bro, what the fuck? Why you stop? And then I said
Guys, I told Rom this is the smoothest shisha I've ever had. We're gonna let Rom take one more puff and then we're gonna get his review.
But who's gonna go with your bike?
This guy.
What would you rate it? 0 out of 10.
5 to 10. I agree. Probably the best shisha.
It's just so smooth. I don't know how to explain. It's like you're sipping on fucking pure water. I don't even know.
Butter. What is this flavor?
Yeah, butter. It's a perfect way to explain it. It's like butter.